Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been such a long time since I used this phrase. I hope everybody's doing great and everybody's staying safe. So yeah, I am back after such a long time. And to be very honest, I had to say that I missed you guys so much. I missed this space so much. Feels home, to be very honest. So let's get started with the video. If you're new to my channel, I think I am new to my channel. After a year, I'm coming back. Yes, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump into the video. So let's get started. So I'm using this moisturizer. So for primer, I'm using this primer. So next I'm using this green corrector from Kryolan as usual. Still I haven't found any amazing green corrector for this as a replacement. Let us move on to the orange corrector. I'm using the orange corrector from this MAC palette as usual. Just to neutralize the green. And so I am super thrilled to be back here. So as usual, I'm gonna start with my brows. Move ahead with the eyes. So I'm gonna start with my lids first. So I'm taking a very light shimmery shade. So I'm just gonna start with my lids first. As you can see, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on the brush. I have applied it all over my lid, but the intensity of the product will be present only on your inner part of the lid. So now I am using a mix of these two browns just to give a depth on the eyes. So now I'm taking the brown shade to my transition and blending it out as my So I have taken the brown from the outer corner to my crease to my transition. So I have taken a flat brush to do my liner. So I'm using a black eyeshadow and just smoking it out. I'm not giving it any precise shape. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I don't have any fallouts under my eyes. So I'm just going to start with my base right away. So for the base, I'm using for the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using this foundation from K Beauty. I'm in the shade 160p tan. So I've just taken one pump in the back of my hand. I feel this foundation is going to be super hydrating. I think this is my shade. So this is from a light to medium coverage. So you can use it on a daily basis. Not bad. I am impressed, but I think I require one more pump of foundation. I think this is more of a very buildable foundation. Okay, I am impressed. I'm not like super impressed with the coverage, but I am impressed with how light it is. I'm happy that I don't require like two different brushes just to blend the foundation. I blend it out mostly with this application brush. For someone who is having a lot of scars, I think they require another pump, because for me I took around 1.5 pumps. Black powder from MAC. Again, I'm in the shade NC42. For the blush, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. Highlighter, I'm using this from K Beauty. So far I am impressed with this palette. Lipstick, I'm using this from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 206 Assert 205 Assertive. So far I am super impressed with this lipstick. It is not transferring, and this is for a long stay. If you are someone who's going to wear lipstick on a daily basis, I think this is going to be a very good catch. This smells like butterscotch ice cream. So all the products which I've used, I have given the link in the description. So do not forget to click and go buy those products. And also I have a new channel on my Trell account. I have given the link in the description. So do not forget to follow me on there as well, and also my other socials like Facebook, Instagram. So I hope you had fun, coming back to my channel, saying hi, bye. So if you did like, if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to mention in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I ain't going anywhere. So I will be posting videos regularly. It's a promise. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.